doing with it. First of all, I'd like to thank my friend, Mr. Jha, who, because of him only, I'm here today. And it was, I think, last day, one day before the program started. I was sitting in Jha's place. He's a very good friend of mine. Last 28 years I know him. We worked together, and before my marriage also I know him. But I have gone through a lot of downs and downs, hardly have seen ups. But and I've gone so down, and last week Jha told me that I got a chance to just join this course. I had heard of CCG, heard of living, and my wife is also a yoga teacher, but I never do it. She was doing teaching and she was a teacher, then she was a student, then she was a teacher. And fortunately she's coming day after tomorrow. And I never did it. But thankful to Madam and Jackie and all of you that I got a chance to speak out, which I was not able to do for a long time. And this really give me a good confidence that I can again see the ups. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev. So I have the opportunity to meet the people. Yes, all of you, not all of you, but some of you were unknown for me. But this, I would say, thanks to this program, Art of Living, get me opportunity to know you, all of you. And it gave me a lot of things. Mr. Upen, he advised me, and in fact he forced me also, and I decided to join this one. I got a lot of things. Before, believe me, I had pain, back pain here. I told you many times, but I only till the 5th day, but I got relaxed totally. As well as I had a high BP, not much, but pretty high, 160, 110 like this, and it was giving some feelings. I could feel that I had BP without measuring it. But in doing these things, I'm feeling that the BP has gone down. And today I measured because I went to clinic and I measured this one. So it came 135 and 90. So thanks to you, thanks to the team, and he is a man who changed a lot of millions of people. So we can't change even one. If one, then also it will come that way, right? So one of my friends also is interested to come. So I told him to come ready.
Already 4 persons are there.
Next month. So thanks God.
I came here in 2006 in Oman. And since then, Mrs. Shah was my son's teacher. She told me that why don't you join Art of Living, and one or the other excuses came into my life that no, my sons are very small, I have to look after them, I don't have time to spend on Art of Living. And so basically I was not having any trust, frankly speaking. But as my husband said, that on 15th of January we went to Mr. Jha's house for a party, and as he was talking about his diabetes, that his diabetes has shot up and all. So one of our friends, common friends, who was before Soha, but now he is in Muscat, based in Muscat. So he told us, why don't you join Art of Living? And I met ma'am also on that day. But we didn't discuss about Art of Living and all, just the normal talks were there. And there that guy said, that friend of ours said, that why don't you take out money and just give it to Mrs. Jaz? And then he took out 20 riyals and gave it to Mrs. Jaz. And she said that I'll let you know about the program and so on and so forth. I was interested to join here because of my obesity that I wanted to reduce, and many people told me that you are going to reduce your obesity and all those kinds of things if you do these kinds of asanas and all. Because I joined earlier aerobics also, but I couldn't continue with that because of my work and all kinds of other pressures with it. I like coming over here. I was very much interested, and I thank you, ma'am, very much for your kind support and everything. The way you taught us the asanas and all, that was really great. Because I have done aerobics also. There, the teacher used to just pound on us if I used to do like this. Ma'am, Manisha, please get up and do work and on the roll. She used to. But here, everything is such a relaxed manner. And very smiling there, I didn't take time to smile also. Okay, just wait, let me just stretch out my things and all. But here it's entirely different. At the same time, I can feel some changes in my body, in my mind. Although I go home and shout at my kid because of his exams and all, that will be always there. But yeah, that has reduced. That has reduced. But let us see in the future. And I would like to go for follow-ups and all. If your wish is here, normally he goes out for IELTS exams and all, but if he's here, I will just pound him also. Come for the